On today's episode of Cool Things My Kid Wanted, we got this go-kart. A couple of my son's friends' parents started buying their kids four-wheelers and mopeds, so of course my son also wanted one or something similar to it. So I told him, "Oh son, I've got you." I started looking and got this go-kart on a trade that hadn't run in about 20 years and was just sitting in an old barn. So I told my kid, "I'll get you the parts, you do the work and rebuild this, and I promise you'll have a ton of fun." So I gave him the parts and let him figure it out. When he had questions, I would explain them to him. It's a win-win, because he's motivated to ride it, and by a side effect, he also is learning about small engines, which is then in turn learning about all engines. It's just in the singular and much easier to understand. If you want to teach a kid something, answer their questions, but don't just do it for them. Kids learn the most by doing dangerous things carefully. The world is dangerous. You need to prepare them for that. Don't just give your kids what you wish you had in your own childhood. Instead, teach your kids what you wish you knew earlier in life.